In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Jira. By the end, you'll have a clean connection that lets your team keep work in sync across both tools without duplicate effort. Start by opening your ClickUp workspace in your browser and signing in. Make sure you're in the correct workspace where you want the integration to live, especially if you belong to multiple workspaces. It's also a good idea to confirm you have the right permissions in ClickUp to manage integrations. If you don't, an admin on your team may need to follow these steps. Once you're in, head to Settings. You'll typically find this in the left sidebar or under your workspace menu. If you see both personal and workspace settings, choose the workspace settings so the integration is available to everyone who needs it. This helps avoid connecting the wrong scope and ensures the integration is set up where your team works. In Settings, open the App Center. This is the hub for all ClickUp integrations and apps. Think of it as the control room where you can discover, enable, and manage the tools that connect to ClickUp. If your interface labels differ slightly and you see apps or integrations, that's the right place. Use the search bar in the App Center and type Jira. This narrows the list so you can quickly find the official Jira integration. Spelling matters here, so double check the search term if nothing shows up. If your organization uses a specific Jira edition, you'll usually see it reflected in the integration details once you open it. Select Jira from the results to open its integration page. Take a moment to skim the description so you know what the integration can do and any requirements it has. This page often outlines the main capabilities such as creating or syncing tasks, and it's a helpful reference for what to expect. Click Connect to begin the authorization. A prompt will guide you through granting permissions. If you're not already signed into Jira, you may be asked to log in and choose the correct site or instance. Make sure you connect the right Jira environment used by your team. Approve the requested permissions so ClickUp and Jira can talk to each other securely. When the connection completes, you'll see a confirmation in ClickUp and the integration will be listed as connected in your App Center. That's it. You opened ClickUp, went to Settings, found the App Center, searched for Jira, selected it, and connected. From here, you can fine-tune your integration settings to match your team's workflow, confident that the connection is in place and ready to support your projects.